I have a Temu haul to share with you guys. These items were sent to me, and I do have a coupon code with them. It is fav45575. You can put that in the search bar on the app or the website, and I'll take you to my storefront. It will also give you some coupons and some other goodies as well. So make sure you use that coupon code. I will also leave a link down below with all of these items that I'm going to share. So I wanted to do like a spring like haul. So I decided to go with Bumblebees. So I got this Bumblebee. It's a 6x6 paper pad. It was $2.39 for 12 sheets. And so here's that one. And I don't know what I'm going to make with it yet, but I just thought that the paper was really pretty. Oh, it matches my nails right now. Like, yellow just makes me think of, like, happiness. And I love honey. I can, like, eat a spoonful, like, every day. I love honey. So I thought these were really cool. And I love bugs and bees and stuff. So this is just, like, so my style and my vibe. Look at this one with the blue flowers. That's why I picked this paper pad, because it's the only one that had the blue flowers in there. It's really, really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to make it, but I will definitely share when I get to work on that. So I got that one. I also got, I think these were Easter word dies. So that was $3.05. Yeah, Easter, because it says eggs. So it was some Easter words there. So that'll be cute to cut out and layer. I also got this Bumblebee one. So this one was $3.03. And this one comes with different sayings, which I thought was really, really cute. So for this one, you're going to take out this middle piece right here. Oh, it's going to be easier with my pliers. So you're going to cut out the bee here, and then the bumblebee here, and then this part says yourself, but you can also skip cutting that part out, just cut this part, and then you can go ahead and glue down these right on top. So say be mind, be happy, be brave, and be kind. So I liked that you were able to like change this part out and put these different sayings. So I thought that was really, really cute. So that's why I got that one. I also got, let's see, these were $2.20. I believe it was 5 glass Bumblebee beads. Oh, I like how they like double bubble wrapped that. That's really nice. I like when they make sure things are nice and secure, especially when it's glass. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're smaller than what I thought they were going to be, but they are adorable. Look at that. So you have the wings and the little eyes and the little body. These are so cute. I need more of these. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. How big are these measuring in at? These are going to be, what is that, like half an inch? Slightly larger than half an inch. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Where's my pokey tool? I want to see if it'll fit on there. Oh, it's going to be a tight squeeze. Oh, see this one, because they're like handmade, this one fits like perfect. Yeah, see, so some fit perfect, but like that first one was like tight, and I didn't want to force it down because I didn't want to break it since it's glass. But oh my gosh, those are so cute. I cannot wait to use those. And no, none of them came broken, so that is awesome. Love that none of them were broken. Okay, these were so stinking cute. How much were these? These were $1.88 for 5, and they came in different colors, but I got the yellow ones because I wanted to go with the yellow theme. So they are the 2 little bees, the flower, and then the house. So the house is the part that came in different colors. So the house came in yellow, blue. It was either pink or purple. I can't remember. There was 3 colors that the little house came in. So, of course, I went with the yellow because I just wanted to do a yellow and black kind of theme. So that's why I got those. But the blue ones, I was so tempted to buy them, especially since I had that blue flower paper. I was really, really tempted to buy the blue houses, but I went with the yellow instead. And this pack was $2.20 for 15 pieces. I'm obsessed with these. There is a Gnome Bumblebee in here. Yep. Oh my gosh, he's big. I didn't think he was gonna be that big. So I saw this guy and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have him. Where's my ruler? So these are coming in at, yeah, this one's bigger than an inch. So from the loop to the foot, it's 1.5 inches. How big is the house? And the house is 1 inch, and then slightly larger with the loop. So these are really good sizes, super cute. So there's that Bumblebee guy. This one that has the little hive in his hand. Look, there are these little bees. Oh, look at the little honey pot. Cute. I like this one. It's actually like a see-through. That's really pretty. Oh, a different honey pot. A bee. A honeycomb. Another Gnome guy with flowers. A different bee. Oh, gosh, she's big. So she has like little bee wings. So like she's a bee herself. Cute. So she is holding like the little honey. And another bee. I didn't even realize that they were all different. I guess I didn't pay attention, but that is awesome. Every single charm was different. That is really, really cool. I'm so happy I decided to paint my nails yellow because I just feel like it's such a vibe right now. I'm just absolutely loving it. So I went to go paint my nails and I went for like a yellow. And the first yellow I got was like a neon yellow. So I changed it out for this like darker yellow, and I'm so happy that I did that. Okay, these are tiny. So this was like, I didn't remember if I wanted 4 millimeters or 6. So I went with the 4. So it was 100 pieces for $2.69. And then once I got them, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm like 6 would have been better. I like using these, like if you're doing seed beads or the tiny little glass beads, that's what you would need these for. But they are like itty bitty. I don't even think this would fit on a pokey tool. They are so small. Yeah, no, see, it doesn't even fit on the pokey tool because it is so tiny. But like I said, these are really good for like if you have like micro little beads, which I do. So this, I can definitely still use it, but 906 is my smallest size that I want to be ordering. I wanted to do flowers. So I like that this came all on one solid piece. So it's just, you're going to pass it through once on your paper. And then I would layer up probably like the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could get 6 different flowers off of just one pass. So that's really good. So I thought that was really cute. And this one was $1.94. So I thought that was a really good deal. Oh, this one I wanted to use, I wanted to make a sequence mix for the bees. And I thought this looked more gold on the photo, but in here it's definitely more brown. It's more like, yeah, brown, kind of like coffee colored, more bronzy. So I might use it. We'll see. Like I said, I thought it was going to be a gold, but it's definitely got more of a brown tint to it. So I thought this would work nicely with the yellow if it was gold. But there's hearts, stars, butterflies, flowers, bunnies, and then stars. And then it's the same top and bottom. So that was $1.65. Okay, almost done here. This was 30 pieces for $1.50. So if you're looking for like small little embellishments, look up nail art. So I did Bumblebee nail art. And this is what came up. Oh, too bad I didn't have this and I could have taken it with me to go get my nails done. But that's what it looks like. So they are really tiny. Oh, I'm already losing it. So they are really tiny. It is yellow on the body. I think you can see that. So you can see that white strip right there is where the body is painted. And then over the wings, there is some black painted there. So super tiny, super cute. Oh, I wonder if I can like glue him. Oh, look, these charms are so big. I could even like glue the little bee onto there. Oh, that's cute. I might try that on one of those. Since I have 30 of them, I have more than enough bees to go ahead and try that. Oh, I could put this into the sequins mix too that I want to make. That'd be really cute. Okay, let's see. $2.25. It doesn't say. I think that there was 10 beads in here. I love these. Like, look at those. So it's got that iridescent shine to them. And then they just have the little bumblebees printed. Now this, I believe, will fit on a beadable pin and pokey tool. I wanted to put those there. Oh, and then I ended up dropping it. That's great. Okay, I think I found them all. So, let's see. Beadable pin. Yes, so that means it will fit on our pokey tool, which is amazing. And then I do have one more pack here. This one was $2.29. Oh, and these were 16mm beads. I know sometimes you guys ask me what size beads that I buy, so I remember to write it down on this one. But look at this one. It has like the honey at the top and then the bees at the bottom. I thought that was really, really cute. So I had to get those, and I figured like those will mix well together. Oh my gosh, like there I go again. I'm going to drop it. Okay, last little item here is another die. And it was $1.44. Let's see if I can open this packaging here. There we go. So this one is like a shadow layer one. So here is your background. Then you cut your bee and then you glue your bee on top right here. So I thought that one was really cute and went with my whole Bumblebee theme. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I do have that coupon code for you guys. It is fav45575. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out. If you're looking for anything I can't find, let me know and I will help you guys search and get that link for you. And I will also link all of these items down below in the description box for you guys. All right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.